Hi Jane, thanks very much for the question on your Creda tumble dryer. You say you've got model number T520VW. I think this is a vented tumble dryer and it is quite old, so it might be difficult to obtain parts, but I will give you some techniques for finding parts, as there are quite a few still available on other shopping channels. I might not have the part in stock, or the manufacturer might have discontinued the part now. Now, you're telling me that the door catch has broken off and you are unable to split the door to gain access, and also you're telling me the screws are just turning when trying to strip the actual door down. Firstly, these doors, if I remember correctly, used to have a couple of screws in the actual door frame, but you would then need to use a screwdriver and carefully go around the plastic to prise the two halves of the door off. First thing you need to find out is, are the parts available? Now, you've got the model number, but there are a couple of variations. So what I'm doing for you is putting a link on this video, which will take you through to the website page that I've created for you. And I'll also put some additional videos to assist you in your repair and a link to any of the spare parts that you require. Now, if it's the actual pin system that is broken and that's held on with a couple of screws, if those screws are turning, it normally means that the plastic that the screws go into has either broken or it's stripped the threads. Now, if that's the case, it might be easier for you to actually see if you can find a replacement door. Now, the way I would do this is using your full model number off the actual identification plate on your dryer. I would go through to Facebook Marketplace or possibly eBay and have a look if anyone has got one of these machines that they're selling secondhand. It may have something simple like a blown heating system, but the whole door is available on the machine, and then you would only need to undo the screws that hold it onto the hinge system and replace the whole door system. And it might actually be cheaper than the actual parts new. And this way, not only are you getting a complete door, but you're getting other spares for the machine. I promise you, you'll find these machines, if they're being sold as non-working, as little as £15 to £20 on eBay. On many occasions, I've seen these machines which have got burnt out heating systems, and someone is just putting it on eBay to get rid of the appliance and also benefit other people by having the spare parts for that machine. So that might be a good technique for you to obtain parts for your machine. Anyway, I've got a couple of videos, I believe, with regards stripping doors down on tumble dryers and how they come apart. But if you can find a door, all you actually have to do is undo the two screws that hold it onto the frame. It's very easy to do. So I'll put all the links in the description on this video, and that will take you through to the web page, and you will have a full list of parts available for that machine. Quick thing with your tumble dryer, by the way, things I would be checking. Creda was manufactured by Hotpoint Indesit Group, which was then taken over by Whirlpool, which is now taken over by Beko. All these manufacturers are doing tricky things to keep their market share by acquiring different brands. But one of the things on your dryer, and this is quite an old machine, it is worth inspecting the bearing system and the pads on the front of the machine. The pads are these pads that fit at the front, and then the drum sits in that. It is well worth replacing them and also inspecting the back bearing as well, as that is a common problem. The back bearing wears because it's phosphorus bronze. And these dryers were quite well made, so it's worth the effort of just inspecting these components while doing a service on the machine. It is also worth getting your vacuum cleaner and stripping the machine down and dusting all the actual ducting system and inside by the motor as well, because they do build up with fluff, but they are worth the effort of getting clean because it will make your machine far more efficient. And especially clean on your dryer. I think you had a tube that runs from the front to the back that attaches to this ducting system in here. And it is worth making sure all that is very clean, as it will not only make the machine dry the clothes quicker, it will also reduce your electrical consumption, saving you money. Anyway, all the links are in the description below. Feel free to use the contact us page, and it would have helped if I knew exactly which component you were talking about. So it's well worth making your own personal video sometimes, uploading it to your YouTube channel, or social media, and then sending me the link, as this will then help me no end in diagnosing the problem with your machine, rather than just saying my catch is broken, because there are a few different components which it could be that you're talking about. One is the actual door catch, then you've got the retaining mechanism and the door switch system that activates the machine. So it would be helpful in future if you give me more information. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us. Have a great Christmas. I hope this article helps you.